We're almost done with all the bells and whistles of this program. It's a lot like Photoshop, which is a good thing, and it's free, and you can save stuff at a decent resolution, and it has a lot of the bells and whistles like layers and so forth that we've talked about already. Last video we had talked about these. You can do the levels, you can do the curves, exposures, so you can do a lot of different things here and change the brightness and contrast of your image. Wow, that wasn't expecting that. Hit cancel. There we go. Hue and saturation, we've talked about that already. So the hue is color. You can see you can change the color like the TV set. All right, if you want to make it a little bit more cooler. Saturation really intensifies the color. Look at that. Yeah, it's a handsome devil there. And then you can change the lightness. You can make it darker or lighter. It's like the brightness and lightness, so forth. And we're just going to cancel on that. The next thing you can do, you get all these adjustments: color balance, vibrance, shadows, and highlights and shadows, all that good stuff. Filter, that is filters where you can do different things. You can select and parts and do different things too, like add a drop shadow or inner glow. So if we go here, I'm just gonna highlight this dude here. We go to filter, and I want to do a drop shadow. So let's move that guy over. We can do a drop shadow. We can up the blur, up the opacity, and we should do the offset. So we should be seeing it. I don't know why I'm not seeing it. Offset X, offset Y, apply, and then it should make a drop shadow, but apparently not. Interesting. We can also apply other filters like inner glow. And see, there's the inner glow. That definitely showed up, right? You can adjust the size. You can adjust the feathering. And you can adjust the opacity. So you can see different filters have different things that you can do. Halftone, mosaic. So let's do this one. I'm just gonna create a box here, right here. Boom, come on, there we go. Why did that not do what I wanted it to? All right, create a box here. That is really irritating me. Create a box here. Oh, I need to get the mode. My bad. Create a circle here. So I got a circle and everything. Okay, so we go to filter, and then I can do any of these things here. A halftone, that'll be like a newspaper. It'll make it into a halftone. Boom. All the little dots. See how that works? Didn't do what I selected, but hey, at least you know how it's working. Okay, another filter is we can make things into a mosaic, which is a bunch of stuff. Oops. Try that again. Now that one sticks to the filter for some reason. So mosaic is like tiles. Sometimes they'll mosaic certain things out of a photo. You can change the amount and all that kind of stuff. Look at that. Yeah. So saying I have 20 seconds, we're going to do one more filter before my time is up. And we're going to do the glamour. I got 12 seconds. Well, less than that. I don't know what that does, but we tried. So down to 4 seconds. 3,